Don't buy any Samsung flagship phone yet because we're less than 3 weeks away from the official Galaxy S26 series announcement. We've got a lot of exciting and important stuff to talk about that will be affecting your buying decision regarding the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some really good news and some not so good news. We're going to talk about everything, but first, let's take a look at Samsung's official trailers confirming 3 of the biggest changes or new features coming with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the first trailer is showcasing the zooming capabilities of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is going to be Samsung's most improved camera zoom sensor ever, with now even larger aperture compared to the S25 Ultra coming at f2.8. This should get us more detail in our zoom images as well as better performance in low light, which is what this second trailer is showcasing. According to Ice Universe, we already know that the video performance, not just with the main sensor but also with the zoom sensor, is getting improved noticeably on the S26 Ultra, which is what's being highlighted in this trailer. Same thing with the third teaser trailer, which is mentioned as Glow, again flexing the new low-light camera improvements on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So far, Samsung's official Galaxy S26 Ultra teasers have confirmed 3 big features, including the AI privacy display, which is gonna be absolutely mind-blowing, improved video performance, especially in low-light situation, and improved zooming capabilities. And while Galaxy S26 Ultra hasn't changed a lot when it comes to physical look is concerned, it looks almost as thin as the S Pen itself, which is pretty amazing. Now we have some sad news. Apparently Samsung is gonna miss on this major, much needed feature, which I personally think Samsung should have brought with their S26 lineup in 2026. This is something that we even see on the Google Pixel devices, but no, it is confirmed that it's not coming to the S26 lineup at least this year. Plus, there's some other exciting stuff. We'll talk about everything right after this. I'm going to show you the most practical upgrade in my setup right now in 2026, and that is the FlexiSpot E7 Pro standing desk. Why does a standing desk matter? Because sitting all day is a killer for your posture and energy. This one moves with you. This is probably the strongest desk ever that I've owned because E7 Pro has a 440-pound load capacity. The dual motors inside lift it smoothly, and the height range goes from 25 inches to up to 50.6 inches, which covers sitting, standing, and everything in between. You can also save your favorite heights using memory presets on the control panel. Super handy if you switch between sitting and standing all day. It's super stable even at full height. I also like there's a USB charging port on the control panel. Plus the desk comes with the anti-collision detection, meaning it can stop automatically if it hits something when moving. So after using this in our office, I gotta say the real value of a standing desk is simple. It helps you work upright with a healthier posture instead of being stuck seated for hours. Standing naturally encourages more movement, keeping you more active during the day and can reduce the stiffness and fatigue that builds up. It's a small change, but it makes the workspace feel more dynamic. They have a 30-day risk-free return plus 15 years of warranty, so this is really something you can try. Plus, they also have optional accessories like under-desk treadmills if you want a proper walk while work setup. And just for you guys, if you check out FlexiSpot's E7 Pro desk with the link in the description and use code YTE730, you'll get $30 off, so definitely check this out. Alrighty, so what is that feature? Well, it is MagSafe. Yes, Galaxy S26 series will not be having magnetic wireless charging capabilities by default on the back of the device. If you want to add this capability, you need a MagSafe compatible case. This is something that we have on iPhones for quite some time, and we even have it on Google Pixel devices. It really would have been nice to have this feature natively because not everyone has access to a MagSafe case. Plus, it opens the door for a lot of creative accessories. Again, this is something that we're not going to see natively on the S26 lineup. Also, not all countries will get the same pricing for the S26 lineup as expected. So in some countries, the pricing for the Galaxy S26 series could be a little higher compared to the last generation. Again, take this info with a grain of salt because a lot of things can change last minute. Now on to some good news. For those who like to use AI features, but they are a bit annoyed because sometimes AI editing features take way too long to process. Well, now with the Galaxy S26 series, series, apparently, you'll be able to use generative AI and get results within a matter of seconds. That is all thanks to the new AI system called as Edge Fusion. With this technology, generative AI can give you results within a matter of seconds, which means it will be a significant improvement over the S25 series when it comes to getting your AI results. This is all thanks to the latest chips, Exynos 2600/Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Although it is mentioned that Edge Fusion is probably more optimized for Exynos 2600, so Exynos 2600 might have faster AI capabilities compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Again, we'll see if that is true in real life or not. It's definitely exciting to see the Exynos versus Qualcomm war coming back, so we'll be doing our testing on the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And last but not the least, this is a big one. One of the biggest barriers between Samsung devices and iPhones is about to get demolished because Google is officially expanding quick share capability with Apple's AirDrop to non-Pixel Android devices, which means Galaxy phones and tablets, especially the S25 series along with the upcoming S26 series, will be one of the first ones to get this AirDrop capability. So now you can share photos, videos, or any file with your iPhone buddy using this universal AirDrop. So there we go. That's all the latest news and scoops regarding the Galaxy S26 series. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.